Hello, my name is Bruce. This tutorial is the first in a series of tutorials on Oracle Transactional Business Intelligence for financials. In this tutorial, I'll introduce you to how the financials applications use Transactional Business Intelligence, a tool for creating analysis, dashboards, and infolets. Let's start at the Financial Reporting Center, the one-stop location for all your financial reporting needs. I'm going to take a closer look at the Payables Aging Summary Analysis. I'll click on the Expand icon to see additional information. These details show that it's an analysis, and here's the location where the analysis is stored. Now I'll open the analysis. The information in an analysis is real-time and based on the latest transaction information. You can use different visualizations or views in your analysis, like time series lines, bars, tables, and heat maps. A single analysis can even use different types of views to help structure information in a way that's useful for your audience. This aging analysis displays bars and a table. And I can drill to the details from both types of views. Let's drill from one of the bars. Here's a table with the invoice details. I can switch to a different aging bucket without having to navigate back to the summary. If I want to edit this analysis, I can find it in its folder in the catalog where it is stored. I'll navigate to the Reports and Analytics work area and browse the catalog. And now I'll locate the Payables Aging Summary Analysis in the folder. I'll edit the analysis. I can make my changes here. When I'm finished, I can save my changes in the same location or save them in another area that's designated for my reports and that I have access to. I can also create a new analysis from here. Future tutorials on Oracle Transactional Business Intelligence for financials will cover how to create graphs and tables. Thank you.